Today, I'll show you how to generate $21 in Ethereum every 10 minutes. The amount of money you can make with this strategy is insane, and when I first learned about it, I was completely blown away. It's completely free to do, works in every country, and is extremely simple. Many people are already doing it, and we can join them if we take action right now. The procedure is simple to follow, but only if you pay attention and follow along closely. So make sure you pay attention to the entire video so you don't get confused about today's method. And make sure you don't skip a part, because they are intertwined and must be completed in the correct order. And if you miss important details, chances are you won't get the desired results. Before we get started with today's video, if this is your first visit to this channel, welcome! We upload videos on how to make money online on this channel so that you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button to be a part of our making money journey and hit the notification bell next to be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. We're going to mine some Ethereum today, which is a cryptocurrency that is currently valued at around $4,000 and is extremely profitable. It'll rise in the future, and it's essentially a technology that houses digital money, global payments, and applications, as well as a thriving digital economy. There are some bold new ways for creators to make money online, as well as a lot more. It's free and open to the public. All you need is an internet connection no matter where you are on the planet. This website, Ethereum.org, is available to everyone, and these guys are very good at what they do. They made this possible for everyone on the planet, regardless of where they live or how much money they have to invest. In fact, you don't need to put any money into it. It is possible for you to profit from it. You are eligible to join the community, share some Ethereum, and participate actively in the community. You can even stake your coins on this website, which demonstrates how good this website is and how these people think about everything that is out there in terms of cryptocurrency, because these guys made it their mission to make Ethereum accessible to everyone. And today, we're going to mine some Ethereum for ourselves. So what exactly is Ethereum mining? The process of creating a block of transactions to be added to the Ethereum blockchain is referred to as mining. Of course, whatever you mine will go straight into your wallet, and you can create a wallet on this website as well, which I will demonstrate later. But more importantly, why are there miners in the first place? Well, there's something called proof of work, and we need to make sure that everyone agrees on the order of transactions in decentralized systems like Ethereum. Miners contribute to this event by solving computationally difficult puzzles to generate blocks that protect the network from attacks, which is exactly what we'll do. We're going to mine some Ethereum and contribute to the blockchain. We'll assist them in becoming more stable. All of that Ethereum will go into our wallets, which you can get by clicking here on Use Ethereum and then clicking on Ethereum Wallets, which will take you to this page. This is over at Ethereum.org, by the way. And then click Find a Wallet over here once you've done that. On the following page, you'll find all of these wallets that support Ethereum as well as other cryptocurrencies. So regardless of which one you check or buy for yourself, it will be useful and you'll be able to store your cryptocurrency there. I also have to inform you of the current Ethereum price. It is currently $4,600. It's extremely profitable and beneficial nowadays, and look at it now, it's skyrocketed. It was around $730 on January the 1st, and now it's around $4,600 after 11 months. As a result, now is an excellent time and opportunity to acquire some Ethereum. Now for the next step, we'll go to minerstat.com, which is a website where you can mine Ethereum. Of course, you can mine other cryptocurrencies if you prefer, but this is the website that helped me become wealthy through Ethereum mining. This is a great Ethereum website because there are a lot of people mining it, and you can get a higher hash rate if you join with someone here, which can be accessed with multi-user access. You can increase the amount of Ethereum in your wallet. All of these features are very useful for mining on this website. I put it to a lot of tests. Many of my friends are also making money, and all you have to do is create an account by clicking the Get Started button. Now all you have to do is type in your valid email address. Make sure it's valid because they'll send you a confirmation link that you'll have to verify. Once you've created a free account on this website, you'll be taken to this dashboard, where you can see how much each cryptocurrency is worth at the top. This is now in euros, and you can see all of the algorithms down here. You can pick and choose which algorithms you want to use to create Ethereum or Bitcoin. But first, you must go to Workers and select which graphic cards you have. So if you have an NVIDIA, AMD, or ASIC machine, which I doubt you do, however in my case I have NVIDIA. So let's just click Continue. Choose your operating system, then click Continue. Now all you have to do is name your worker, and for this one you can simply call it Ethereum to get started with it. Click Add Worker and you'll be taken to this page where you'll find your own access key as well as your worker name, which you should keep in mind. It'll stay here, but keep in mind and save it somewhere because it is crucial. This Windows note is now available for download. You'll be prompted to save this to your computer and then simply click Continue to Dashboard. I then went to Trustpilot to see how popular and good this website is. As you can see, they have a 4.5 rating and 79 out of a possible 5 stars. This website has a lot of positive feedback because it's very trustworthy and legitimate. This website is used by a large number of people who profit from it. As a result, we can now do the same. We're gonna keep some of that money for ourselves because we can't afford to let them keep all of the profits right now. And once you've downloaded that on your computer, it'll activate this worker and you'll be able to begin mining Ethereum. The way it works is that the better your graphic cards are, the more money you'll make. Here's the mining calculator that can help you figure out how much money you can make. Simply select GPU mining from the drop-down menu and you'll be able to see how much Ethereum you can earn based on the graphic cards you have. For instance, look over here on this side. So for example, put your electricity cost at 0.01 and then click Calculate, which uses dollars per kilowatt per hour. Click on Calculate, and if you have this NVIDIA RDX 3090, for example, click on this to get a rough estimate of how much money you can get. MinerStat is a fantastic website in my opinion, based on my personal experience, because it offers over 2,000 pools to choose from. They have 36 mining clients and all of these graphic cards are supported. So if you have one of these, you're good to go. MinerStat recently made me a lot of money and I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, or anything else because as you can see, it's a very legit and popular website that's very profitable. And once you get that Ethereum, it'll go straight into your Ethereum wallet over here. After that, you're free to do whatever you want with it. You have the option of selling it or keeping it in your wallet. Ethereum is currently valued at $4,600. But imagine if it doubles to $9,200 or even $20,000. Then you'll make even more money. You simply place it in your wallet and earn money simply by keeping it there. That's the definition of passive income in action. So I strongly advise you to go to MinerStat and begin this adventure of mining Ethereum for yourself, or any of these other coins if you prefer. But my recommendation is to go with Ethereum because it is currently very profitable. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get updates whenever we upload a new video. Also, if you want to watch more new ways to make money online like a boss, make sure you check out our other videos too.